So exercise 13.2, assume pi is equal to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. See, these are the problems based on the cylinder. So what is the formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. So if I want to find the total surface area, then we need to include both top and bottom surface. So if I want to find the total surface area, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. So now the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the base diameter of the cylinder. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay. Now see what is given to us. They have given the height of the cylinder, that is h is equal to 14 centimeter, and even they have given the curved surface area, that is 88 centimeter square. We need to find diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay, diameter of the base of the cylinder. Fine. So what is the formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder? Is equal to, curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Fine. That is 88 is equal to 2 into, since see they have given, assume pi is equal to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. See, they have not stated anything for pi, so we need to make use of 22/7. So 22/7 into r into h. So what is h here? So later we'll substitute, or else we can substitute here only, that is 14. 7 1 the 7 2 the. Okay, 88 is equal to, okay, now see, 22 into 2 44 into 2r. 2r is nothing but d. So diameter will be equal to 2 times the radius of a circle. So same thing I have written. So 44 1 the 44 2 the. So 2r is equal to 2 centimeter, or else diameter of a circle is equal to 2 centimeter. So what we can write? So therefore the diameter of the base of the cylinder is equal to the diameter of the base of the cylinder is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, so please note this down. So next, so third question, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, total surface area. See, they have given there is a metal pipe, and metal pipe is of certain thickness. Fine. So this is the metal pipe and it is of certain thickness. And what they have given, see, the inner diameter being, see, and it is 77 meter long. What does it mean? Height is equal to 77 centimeter. Okay. Next, what they have given? The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. This inner diameter, this diameter is 4 centimeter. This will be equal to 2 centimeter. Radius will be equal to 2 centimeter. Radius will be equal to 2 centimeter. Fine. And it is of thickness 4 point. The outer diameter, see, they have given even outer diameter. If it is the diameter is 4.4 centimeter. So what is this outer radius? That will be equal to 2.2 centimeter. So inner radius is equal to, let the inner radius be r1. See, if I have taken this cylindrical pipe, so it is of certain thickness. They have given the thickness C. Directly they have not given the thickness. What they have given? They have given in the way of, see, inner diameter and outer diameter. Okay. So we'll call inner diameter, inner radius as r1, which is equal to 2 centimeter, because inner diameter is equal to 4 centimeter, then inner radius will be equal to 2 centimeter. So outer diameter will be equal to 4.4 centimeter. They have given outer diameter is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Then radius will be equal to 2.2 centimeter. Okay. So this they have given the length that will be equal to height, that is 77 centimeter. Fine. Well, first what we need to calculate, we have this particular data and they have not given anything for the pipe. So we need to assume pi is equal to 22/7. So first one, inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area is equal to, inner curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r1h. Height remains the same, only thickness varies. So inner curved surface area is equal to 2 into 22/7. What is r1? R1 is equal to 2 centimeter. What is h? H is equal to 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. Okay. 44, 88. 88 into 11. 22 2s are 44. 44 into surface area is equal to inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of two rings. How will calculate the area of two rings? C. Total surface area includes C. Pipe ka inner surface area we need to consider, and pipe ka outer surface area we need to consider, and we need to consider the rings. So one ring at the top end and one ring at the bottom end, because pipe has certain thickness, we need to consider it. So total surface area of a pipe is equal to, what is inner surface area? Inner curved surface area is nothing but 968 plus outer curved surface area is nothing but 1064.8 plus area of two rings. How we are going to calculate? Pi into, there are two rings, area of a circle is equal to pi r square, but arc dimension only we need to consider this thickness. So for that, r2 minus r1 will give me this particular radius. So that radius is equal to pi into r2 square minus r1 square. Fine. That's it. Now, so I'll continue here since I don't have a space. So 968 plus 1064.8. So 0.8, as later we can write it. 8 plus 4 12. 2 carry 1. 7 plus 6 13. 3 carry 1. 1 plus 9 10. Again carry 1, that is 2032.8. Okay, plus next 2 into 22/7 into, what is r2 square? R2 square is nothing but C. Where is it? 2.2 square minus r1 square is nothing but 2 square. Okay, so which is equal to, I'll continue here, 2032, as it is I'll write, plus 2 into 22/7 into 2.2 whole square is nothing but r2 square minus r1 square, that is 2.2 whole square is nothing but 22 square is nothing but 484, that is 4.84. 2 square is nothing but 4. So I'll continue here. 2032.8 plus 2 into 22/7 into 4.8 minus 4 is nothing but 0.84. 7 1 the 7. Again 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 14. So 22 2 the 44. 44 into 12. 12 4 the 48. 12 4 so 48 plus 4 52. That is 5.28 because we have 0.12, that is 2032.8 plus 5.28. 5.28 can be written as 5.3. Okay. Now 8 plus 3 11, carry 1. 6 plus 2 8. 2038.1 centimeter square. 2038.1 centimeter square. So the total surface area of a pipe is equal to 2038.1 centimeter square. So please note this down.